there you are. You're doing a little doggy dance. Oh, yeah. That's my buddy, man. She's next level, mama. Oh, yeah, she is. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. That's my buddy, man. It's the baby dog doing your crying action. Oh, yeah. What? What is it? Huh? Oh, you're a good girl. You're a good doggy. Oh, yeah. A little bit of snow today, yeah. Not a lot, little dusting. She don't like the snow. She's a Florida dog. What's this white stuff on the ground? What's all this snow on my feet? Oh, yeah. Oh, this toilet's coming out. We'll put a new one in. Old job. Here's why I don't like to use those flanges with the metal all rotted out. I got this repair ring for. We'll see if it fits. Crazy. That's why I like the solid plastic ones. Beautiful. Nice. Quality stuff you got there. Crazy. Nothing but the best. I think that's gonna work. I think this is gonna work. A couple of Phillips. Close where it's gonna go, so I don't have to move it that much. It'll be alright. I'm gonna put a couple of anchors in there, and this will all push down. See it right there, that's where I want to be. I'm going to put some anchors in there. Make sure that's where I need to be. That's right about perfect. I'm gonna need some longer screws, looks like. That's gonna be good. Why would you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. Why somebody would wear gloves? Never figure it out. Never figure it out. These are what they call fast set. It's a stainless plate. I'm not a big fan of those, but it is what it is. It will work. Do put the wax here on the toilet, don't matter, either way.
Nice toilet, huh?
Yep.
Ooh.
Nice and high for you.
Yeah, it is. See, I had like one of those other things that I toilet there to see, you know. I have on the other one too.
And that screw's adjustable down if you have to, so no big deal. there's two gaskets I put in the back there. This rubber goes on there like that, and I just put the screws through with the nuts on the bottom. I don't lock them in. I put the bolts down through and the nuts from the bottom. That's it. Some guys will put nuts on the bottom. I don't believe in that. In case you ever have to cut that, the nuts are there screwed. Just take this like this, and you want to get more out of it. Grab it like that, right? Little tech tip. I usually grab the tank, I'll wiggle it till it's tight. That's how I do it. Wiggle the tank. You can tell if it's tight. I'll let it sit a bit and I'll tighten these up a couple of times maybe. See, that screws up too much. Just tighten the screw down. Turn it in. See, I'm too high. I adjusted that float down, so let's see how it is now. There's a water line mark there. 3/4 of an inch down is good. Adjust this right here, put that down. I just have to put the seat on it, slow close seat, and the cover and all good. I could go down a little bit more, but it ain't too bad. You don't want it coming up and going down the overflow. Yeah, that's it right there. That's where I need to be. And just go from underneath. And just tighten this up like that with my speedy wrench. I got different sizes: 7/16, 1/2 inch, 3/8. It's just little Craftsman. It's just 1/4 turn. Stick them on there and lock them right in. Slow close. Oh yeah. You want to clean them and just unlock them like that and pop the seat right off. That's it. I got that reset where I need to be and I'm good to go, mama. Oh yeah. I'll leave that for her for cleaning. Slow close, what do they call that? Not bad. Alright, looks good. I'm happy with the way it came out. It's tight to the floor. That repair flange worked. That repair ring I had in the truck. So that's it. She's happy with it. She's an elderly lady. Oh, there's the baby dog. Look at her go, man. Look at her go. Oh, yeah. Look at her go. Look at her doing the dance. Look at her doing the little doggy dance. Oh, yeah. You miss me? Oh, I think so. I think you miss me. Oh, yeah. You missed your daddy? Oh, yeah, you did. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is that? What is that? That's the baby dog. Look at her go, man. Look at her go. Oh, yeah, look at her go. Look at her go.